Unit 521, Requirements Management SWOT Analysis. A SWOT analysis is a type of survey used alongside cost-benefit analysis to inform decisions about technology adoption. It systematically evaluates internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats. This provides a structured view for project planning or competitive analysis. The internal components of SWOT are strengths and weaknesses. Strengths are characteristics that give an advantage over others. Internal attributes supporting success. Weaknesses are characteristics that create a disadvantage. Internal factors hindering performance. Both relate to the business or project itself. The external components are opportunities and threats. Opportunities are environmental elements the business can exploit. Threats are external elements that could cause trouble. These are external factors impacting operations or profitability, originating outside the business or project. SWOT is used in various business contexts. It helps develop strategy by leveraging strengths and opportunities while addressing weaknesses and threats. It's valuable for competitive analysis, understanding positioning. SWOT also informs marketing campaigns, product development, and investment decisions. Numerous resources exist for learning and applying SWOT. These include books, papers, online platforms, templates, educational websites, and business strategy articles. Case studies often feature SWOT analysis. Software tools and professional networks also provide support. By systematically evaluating strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, an organization can develop a more informed strategy. This aligns internal capabilities with external possibilities while preparing for potential challenges. Using credible sources is key for detailed learning and understanding. SWOT analysis provides a holistic view for better decision-making. It helps identify competitive standing and areas for investment. Combining systematic evaluation with credible resources allows a comprehensive understanding of SWOT. Unit 521, Requirements Management SWOT Analysis.